Hello everyone, I am Manoj Kumar Patra. Welcome to all of you Edu for you. So in this video we will discuss about percentage class 5 chapter 12 junior maths. Percentage means we can say that percentage means that out of a 100 something you will calculated out of 100 means we can say that is a percentage. Okay, so see here I have drawn a big square. In between a big square there are 100 small squares are there. Okay, so we can say this out of this 100 small square I have drawn this red square, this shaded part, that is red square. 1 2 3 three part or three square I have drawn in red color. So we can say that 3 out of 100 are red. Is it clear? Means out of 100 small square, these 3 square are red in color. Okay, we can say that this 3% out of 100 means 3% are red. Okay, so this percentage symbol is like this. One slanting line will put and the two dot will give. This is the symbol of percentage. Okay, similarly if 4 part I have drawn that green in color, it means 4 out of 100 are green. We can say that 4% are green. So you just remember that percentage means nothing, it is only the out of 100, something you will calculated out of 100, we can say that is the percentage. And the symbol, we know how to write the symbol of percentage. Now we'll see fraction as percentage. How to write a fraction as percentage. Okay, here we can write 1 out of 100 equal part, that is 1 out of 100 equal part will be 1 by 100. Okay, this 1 by 100 we can write as a 1%, because we have clear that percentage means that out of 100, means here out of 100 means 1 divided by 100 means 1%. Is it clear? Similarly if you write 9 out of 100, that will be how much? 9%. Out of 100 means percentage 9%, we can write here also. Similarly there will be 3 by 5. Question will come how to write this 3 by 5 as percentage. So what we can do? So we have to do this denominator will be 100. So what we can do? 3 by 5, here we can multiply 100. If denominator will be multiplied by 100 means numerator also will multiply by 100. Is it clear? Then you see 3 by 5 here into 100, and this 100 we can write as 1 by 100. This 100 is the same as 1 by 100. Yes or no? Clear? So see this 1 by 100 is percentage. Already we clear now. 1 by 100 is the percentage. Now here this 3 by 5 into 100, this one now we can cancel this number. How much it is possible, that much number you can cancel each other. So here 5 2s are 10 and 5 0s are 0, then 3 2s are 6 means 60, and 1 by 100, instead of 1 by 100 we can write as percentage, that is 60%. It means whenever 3 by 5 one fraction was there, that time we can multiply simply. If simply you will see 3 by 5, if normally that 100% will multiply, 100% if you will multiply, then we will get the result easily. See one more example, that 5 by 12. So how you can do easily? See, directly you can multiply by 100%. Percentage means already clear, percent means 1 by 100. That instead of writing that one directly, we have written here 1 by 100. For making equivalent decimal, for making equivalent fraction here, we have to multiply 100 in numerator and 100 in denominator. Then you will get the equivalent fraction. but 1 by 100 already we know that one is the percentage. So now if is there any cancellation, you can cancel this number, then you'll get the answer. So here that 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 here will be 50, and in 2 2 3 2 here 25, then here will be 125 divided by 3, and percentage is same. So directly you can write that 125 by 3% or 41 whole 2 by 3%. Is it clear? It means in simple word, if you'll say this, how we'll do. Now whenever we have to convert, simply you can write to convert a fraction into a percentage, you should multiply by 100%. Simply if you will multiply by 100%, then you will get the required percentage. Is it clear all of you? Now we'll learn how to write money or measure in a percentage. How you just see, we know that 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupees. 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupees. If you will say 1 paisa is equal to how much rupees, that will be 1 by 100 of a rupee. Clear? That 1 by 100 of a rupees means here this 1 by 100 we can write that 1%. 1% of a rupee. It means 1 paisa is equal to 1% of a rupee. Question may come, suppose instead of 1 paisa it may come that is 3 paisa is equal to dash percent of a rupee. It will be 3 paisa will be 3% of a rupee. How it will come? If 1 paisa will be this much, then 3 paisa will multiply by that number. Similarly, that a gram, milliliter, liter, everything will be in the same process. So how will be there? Let me do one example, then you will clear this one. Suppose 100 gram is equal to 1 kg. This one already we know. If 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg, not 100. That 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. So question will come that 1 gram is equal to how much percentage of a kg. So see here 1 by 100 into 1 by 10. This much kg you can write now. See 1 by 100 is the percentage, and 1 by 10. 1 by 10 you can write in decimal form also, that is 0.1. For this we can write percentage. It means 1 gram is equal to 0.1%. This one also you can write 0.1% of a kg. 1 gram is equal to 0.1% of a kg. Okay. If 1 gram we have calculated, then suppose any more question will ask you, suppose 9 gram or 10 gram, that how much will ask you, will multiply by 0.1, that much percentage will be the kg, that much percentage of a kg will be there. Is it clear all of you how to convert rupees into percentage or gram or kilogram into percentage? So now I'll start percentage is fraction. Suppose any number will be there, that is 55%. This 55% you can write in the form of fraction. How you will write? So simply here that how much percentage will be there, you just divided by 100, then you will get the required result. So here 55% we can write is 55 divided by 100. So whenever you want to convert percentage into fraction, simply divided by 100, and in the numerator will keep in that how much percentage will be there. Similarly 23%, I told how much percentage, that one will keep in the top and divided by 100, that one will be right in the denominator. Then you will get the required result. After that you will write in the form of simplest form. After that you will write this one in simplest form. This one will be 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, here 0. So 11 by 20. Similarly this one we can write 23 by 100, it is not cancel each other, so this one will be the result. So whenever this type of question will be there, means the percentage you want to convert it into fraction, simply divided by 100, you will get the result. And this fraction you want to convert it into percentage, you just multiply by 100, then you will get the required result. Now we'll start decimal fraction as percentage. How will the decimal fraction will be on percentage? Suppose 0.7. How to write in percentage? How will do? So this 0.7, this decimal form we can write in the form of fraction, that is 7 by 10. Now we have learned clearly that how this fraction will write in percentage. Simply you just multiply by 100%, you will get the required result. And here denominator 10, numerator 10, you can cancel. Now 70% will be there. Is it clear? Similarly, change this percentage as decimal fraction. Percentage is decimal fraction. How to write percentage? Similarly, percentage is decimal fraction. How to write? Suppose 21.5% is there. How to write in decimal fraction? See, here also 215 by 10 we can write in the form of fraction. And percentage means what? Percentage means 1 by 100. Is it clear? Now 215 divided by 1000. So this one we can write as 0.215. Simply you can convert this one. So whenever this type of question will be there, you simply move the decimal places to the 2 digit left. How much digit will be there? You just move 2 digit left, then you will get the required decimal fraction. Is it clear? Similarly, one more example you see, that is 7%. This one you will write in decimal fraction. How will write? I told you just move 2 digit left. Here 7, 2 digit is not there, so we can do here 1 digit only there. So 2 digit means 1 digit means 0, you can put there. So 0.07 we can write simply. Otherwise you can do that 7 by 100. So 7 by 100 you can write in the form of 0.07. Okay, in any way you can solve, no problem. So now I'll start percentage of a number. Means any percentage may be provided you. Question will ask you to find the number. How much number will be there? So see, let one example is 16% of 50. It means whenever this type of question will be there, that percentage you will write. First, this percentage we can write in the form of fraction. Means here 16 by 100 of means multiply, you will do how much number has given you. So 16 by 100 into 50. Now we'll just cancel each other. How much it is possible? 5 2 are 10, 2 8. So 8. It means 16% of 50, that will be 8. Okay. How much percentage will give you? That one you will multiply by the required number. Then you will get the result. So one more example, that is 36% of 250. So here I told you to percentage use, first of all write the form of fraction, that is 36 by 100 multiply by the required number. So 10 will cancel, 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 25, 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16, 18 5 are 90. This is the required number. See, is it clear all of you? So whenever this type of question will come, simply you will do that number of fraction into required number. Then you will get the number. How much number? 36% of 250 means that is 90. Clear? Now see in exercise 12a, question number 1, that is very easy. What percentage of the square is shaded? So how much percentage of a square is shaded? You just calculate this, how many square are there for the shaded part. So here will be, here is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36. It means 36 square out of 100 are shaded. You can write here 36 by 100. So we have clear here 36 by 100 means something by 100. That 1 by 100 is the percentage. It means here will be the 36 by 100, that is 36%. Similarly, here you just calculate how much are there yellow, then that much percent will be there. Question number 1 you can do very easy. Now question number 2, write the shaded part as percentage. Here that how many are shaded? 3 part are shaded out of 10. It means 3 by 10. 3 by 10 we can write. It means it is a form of fraction. I told you how to convert a fraction into a percentage. That fraction you can multiply by the 100%, you will get the required percentage. Simply you can do. So here the 3 by 10 multiply by 100%. 1010 you can cancel. Then how much will be there? 10 3 is 30% will be here. Okay. Similarly here, number of a shaded part you calculate divided by 10 means multiply by 100%, you will get the required percentage. These are very easy. I hope you can solve this one. Question number 3, that color the parts is shown means 15% blue. It means these are 100 square. Out of 100, 15% is blue. It means 15% of 100 first you have to find out. Number you have to find out first. That much number you will color here. Means now I told how to find a number. Percentage and the required number you will get the percentage. You will make in fraction, multiply by the required number, then you will get the number. How much blue part are there? Let me do this one, then you will get clear. See, here is the 15% is blue. 15% means 15% of how much? 15% of 100, because these are the 100 small square are there. So 15 by 100 multiply by 100. So 100 you will get 15. It means 15 small square you will do the blue. Similarly 38% pink means as these are 100, then 38 part will be here. Similarly the 20%, here is the 20%. So B number, what you will do? Here you will calculate number of a small square, number of a rectangle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It means here 20% of 10 you have to find out first. 20% of 10 how much? 20 by 100 multiply by 10. It means 0 1 0 will cancel, 1 0 1 0 2, only 2. It means out of this 10 part only 2 part you will get shaded. Is it clear? Similarly 50% total number first you will calculate, multiply by this fraction, this percentage. Similarly D number you can solve.